Competition seems to be everywhere some days. The bills keep stacking up, and the phone's not ringing with work. When this happens, are you the first plumber a customer thinks about? Or is it the last plumber to advertise on TV this morning? Or maybe they just Google plumber. If you don't come up first, you're just out of luck. Or is that out of business? But what if? What if you offered a solution to your customers that prevents costly damage from a sewer backup? And what if that solution, BackWaterStop, also notifies you, and not your competition, of a backup problem the minute it happens? Just what if? What if you could be calling your customer instead of waiting and hoping they will call you? Can you even imagine their reaction? Keep your customers your customers. You can be fixing the problem before your competition even knows there is a problem. Come visit us today at BackWaterStop.com or give me, Tim, a call at 443-377-1938.